Morning guys, Matty Mac here again. Just wanted to run you through something just to clarify a couple of things regarding the websites and why we don't really want to send direct traffic directly to our Clickbank affiliate links. We want to run it through a website or a niche website or a blog site or something similar. So what we've got here, we've set up a very simple site, whether it be a WordPress or a Weebly or a Wix site, but something that you should send traffic through. Send it direct to this site and then to your affiliate offers. Reason being that you're going to develop authority with Google, and it's very easy to set one of these up. And I just want to show you a couple of examples. So the first one this one I set up is very quick and easy to set up. It was just a basic template. This is a WordPress template. So this was for the software of Traffic Travis, and I just bought the domain name Try Traffic Travis. Very simple. So if somebody's searching in Google, it's very easy to establish what it is. Just a bunch of information, and of course, so that all my traffic will go directly. So all my ads and things like that will go directly to this site, as you can see, straight to this site. And then from there, if somebody chooses to investigate further, then they'll go onto my opt-in list. So if they click on this button here, it takes them to my landing page, and of course they go onto my mailing list, and then I can follow up and contact them from there. So rather than just send them straight to a landing page and then to an offer, or straight to an offer themselves, there's a couple of steps just in between, and that's really going to build this site. It's going to sit on the internet, and naturally Google is going to send it traffic, but we're going to help it, of course, by sending our ads and our traffic there, and then Google's going to pick that up, and it's going to become sort of free advertising from there. And hopefully within 6 months or a year or a couple of years that it sits there, it'll naturally just get buyers to it. You won't have to do a thing, so it becomes completely passive, which is the name of the game. So that's one of the sites there. Very simple, very easy to set up. I'm going to leave some links below, including an ebook to download, and then you can just follow the steps and set them up yourself. Very easy. So look out for that. Just to keep going, this was one of the first ones that I ever bought. It was a niche website, completely filled out, and it was in the survival niche or wilderness survival niche. So it's lots of information was already on there, and this particular one has it automatically uploads blogs, new posts by itself. So it's got a piece of software in there which will automatically update with new posts. So it's just constantly getting updated all the time. And there's a couple of affiliate links in here. This is just an Amazon link, and anything to do with zombie or survival or The Walking Dead, it just goes through to toys and merchandise for The Walking Dead. It just links straight through to the Amazon website. So of course there's an affiliate there. And this survival guide, I had this done up. I think I went onto Fiverr and had it made up pretty cheap, and that just links straight through again to a landing page, so I can grab information. And when people download that, it takes it to a series of offers on the wilderness and camping niche. So I think there's about 4 Clickbank offers that it goes through, just cycles through. So that's a very simple one there. But again, I'm sending people mainly to this website, and then from there they click and go on from there. So that's just another one, same sort of thing, main website, and then farms out to offers, but mainly getting on the mailing list. That's the main thing. Any blogs that you do, of course, go onto your website, and that'll give it authority. So if you're regularly updating with blogs, that's Google's going to pick that up, that it's constantly being updated. When it sits dormant for a while, it tends to get dropped down the rankings. Just make sure you're updating and adding new fresh content, which is good. Another one, again, this is just a WordPress site, very simple WordPress site. So as a ClickFunnels affiliate, it's got all the ClickFunnels information, all their offers, heaps of information on this site. So that's a good one. And whenever I have anyone asking me about ClickFunnels, of course, that's where I send them to. So they do their own research, and anything that they choose, of course, they'll drop onto the mailing list and then be taken through to the affiliate offer. So they're the WordPress sites. WordPress is pretty easy to set up, but if you're after something very quick and simple, this was one that I set up. This was a bit of a challenge that I took on. And from starting from absolutely nothing, I timed it, and it was 2 hours and 8 minutes before this site was live. So including buying a domain name, setting up, and hitting the live button. So 2 hours and 8 minutes is what I could do it in. All the information, everything. So that was Theremin Sound. It's still sitting there. I did this many, many years ago, and it's just sort of sitting there, and it gets a bit of traffic through. So when the affiliate section of this site is just when they click on buy Theremin, it goes through to eBay, and anything related to eBay that says Theremin, it will come up in the search listings. So that's very simple. And the other one is a digital app. So there's an affiliate for a digital app on the App Store, which you can put it on your phone. So if you want to check out any of those, again, very simple site, very much information, not much information at all. And again, it's just sitting there dormant. It's not doing anything. It's not costing me anything. So this website, this is a modular website, a drag and drop website. This was built with Weebly. So I'll leave a link down below if you want to check out Weebly and how easy it is for that to use. And if you do sign up for a Weebly account, you can have, I think it's up to 10 different websites all hosted under the same hosting. So it's very easy to manage and very cheap too. Very cheap. And another one, I think one of the very first affiliate sites that I ever made, again, it was built with Weebly, very simple, just drag and drop and put your own pictures in there. Book suppository. So when people come onto this, again, any advertising that I do links straight through to this site, doesn't go through to my affiliate. And I've set up a Facebook page and all that just links through, and all they need to do is search for whatever they're after, a book, a map, anything, audio, ebooks, any of that sort of thing, just put it in. And as soon as they hit find, it'll revert to my affiliate link and goes through to the book depository. And if they buy anything, it's about a 5% commission on that. So again, it just sits there, doesn't really do anything. If you search book suppository, it actually comes up on the first page of Google, so that's cool. And then just farms straight through. So this one, it doesn't automatically go to an opt-in page because I found that stops people from buying right there, but it does have an optional, please add me to your mailing list. So that's slightly roundabout, but I found people were more responsive when they got through and they were just automatically shopping rather than hit a landing page and then they would just click out. So there are a couple of niche websites that I've set up and that I use and I'm very happy with, and how I use them. So I just want to give you guys a bit of an update. That's how I use it. But the main thing is there, once you've got this site up and running, it's going to start to get authority, which is what you want. And ultimately you want to walk away from it and it will just keep earning you a few dollars automatically, completely passive income. So that's really what we're aiming for. And if you had one of those, then you move on to the next one and the next one and so on and so on. You just keep going until your income just keeps rolling in. So that's the name of the game. Hopefully that's a bit of an insight. If you got any value out of this, please go ahead and hit the like button. It will really help me, and subscribe if you haven't. If you have, put some comments down there if you need any further information, or hit me up down below and I'll happily answer any of your questions. Enjoy. Thanks, guys.